Adil Catalino Bacuramin Kasaruga Basengan Kajubata. Hello everyone, my name is Bernadus. I'm a student at Bali Tourism Institute majoring Tourism Management Semester C. Now I'm going to tell you about the one of tourism destination in Bengkayang Regency, with the title is The Beauty Nature of Bukit Jamur.
Bengkayang is one of the regency in West Borneo. Tourism sector in Bengkayang is a leading sector that is exploited by the government of Bengkayang Regency, especially Tourism Department of Bengkayang Regency. Bengkayang as a district with an area that has many tourism potential is natural and cultural. One of the very potential tourism destination in Bengkayang Regency is Bukit Jamur, that's become famous since 2014 ago. Bukit Jamur is one of hills that has a similar impressive panorama to Mahameru Mountains that's become a recent. Why in West Borneo Bukit Jamur could be said the West Borneo Mahameru. Bukit Jamur is located in Belangko Village, Bengkayang Regency, West Borneo Province. To access the Bukit Jamur, we can ride motorcycle or car. The distance of the tourist attraction from the Studi Pontianak Airport is about 226 km, while from the Fort of Senghi Pontianak is about 212 km. And the distance of natural attraction of Bukit Jamur from the Singkawang city is about 121 km. From Bengkayang city to reach the natural attraction Bukit Jamur parking area is take about 15 minutes of journey and continue with trekking about 2 until 3 hours. Bukit Jamur has a height range 500 meters above sea level. On the hill we can get the moment of the ocean cold in the morning and see the sunrise along the way. During the climb, tourists will be treated to beautiful natural scenery of Borneo forest around the hill. From the top of the hill, tourists can see the top of the hill stretch across the valley, cyclamens, rice fields and fields that spread like a roof. Besides that, tourists can also see the whole view of Bengkayang city and enjoy the grandeur of nature at night. See the star in the sky, the beauty of light, the sounds of animal at the night, and the cool air is still fresh on the hill. There are several tourist activities that can be doing in the natural attraction of Bukit Jamur are camping ground, trekking, and outbound.
So, what are you waiting for? Let's visit Bengkayang Regency now. And feel free to travel around Bengkayang Regency, because Bengkayang Regency have many more tourist attractions. If you visit here, just remember, don't ever take anything as a picture and don't leave anything as a footprint.